Dr. Abergel takes pride in giving more confidence to his patients. In some cases, his ultralift procedure gives the patient a new yet natural look.
When I went to see Dr. Abergel, he was very kind, very easy to talk to, listened to what I had to say. I didn't feel that he was trying to get me to do tons of different procedures. He narrowed it down to what he felt were the best procedures for me. It took me about a month to decide that that's really what I wanted to do. Called back and made an appointment, and I'm thrilled with the results. I feel much younger, I feel refreshed, more rested, don't look like a basset hound anymore. It's given me a really great new outlook on life. People react to me much differently, and I'm sure a lot of it is because I'm behaving differently. I'm behaving more refreshed, younger, and it's really been an asset, I think, to my life. One of the things that Dr. Abergel told me is that I would have no pain. I had no pain. It was easy, and the results were fabulous.
Dr. Abergel touches on the artistic aspects of cosmetic surgery.
It is critical to avoid the pulled wind tunnel sort of look. No one likes that anymore. What's important is to give the patient a natural, refreshed look that they can enjoy for many years, and that really no one can detect that they had cosmetic surgery. The impact of cosmetic surgeries on patients' life can be amazing. I love hearing stories of patients after surgery saying, well, I got married, or I got the job, or I got the new part in a movie, and it's just great for me to take part in this major, life-changing event.
Patients choose Dr. Abergel for his competence and results. Just as importantly, they feel safe with him. They feel that he truly cares about his patients.
My patients stay in touch with me for a long time. I love getting that occasional phone call or card telling me how great they are and how happy they are with their results. And often I get a lot of their family member as patient thanks to a good word of mouth.
Many of his patients compare him to the trusted family doctor of generations ago, a doctor who truly cares and establishes long-term, enduring bonds. You will find your consult to be a heart-to-heart talk with a new friend, an expert who knows how to listen.
I am often asked if I only treat movie stars. My answer is of course not. But for me, each patient is very important. Each patient is a real movie star for me because I treat them like family. And I really treat my patient like I would like to be treated if I had to go and see a doctor. The patient's safety for me is the most important. That's why we operate in a state-licensed surgery center. We have the state-of-the-art equipment. Of course, we're adjacent to a major hospital, and all our anesthesia are performed by a board-certified anesthesiologist with over 20 years experience in the field. I cannot emphasize enough how important the anesthesiologist is. He's the one who's going to make your experience safe and comfortable and enjoyable. The most important is for a patient to really do their homework. They have to check the credentials of the physician, they have to check his board certification, they have to check his experience. It's good to talk to his patient who had surgery before. Look at his photo album, look at the before and after pictures. Most importantly, you should feel that there is a connection and that you found a surgeon who not only has the ability but the talent to give you what you want. Look for someone who is caring, who's going to be there for you, not only during the surgery, but most importantly, after the surgery. I always encourage the dialogue. I always encourage my patient to call me if they have a concern, to come to the office anytime that they feel is necessary. The more they know about the process, the more they know about the surgery, the more comfortable they are, and the better the outcome.
Once you tell Dr. Abergel what you are interested in, he will give you his professional opinion on what will give you the happiest outcome. Here's something surprising. It may not even include everything you thought you needed done. If you are interested in having one of the leading cosmetic surgeons listen to your concerns and tend to your needs, if you believe in building a relationship with a doctor you can trust, then you are calling the right specialist.
I hope that you have enjoyed tonight's program. If you want to learn more about laser cosmetic surgery, I invite you to call for an appointment.
For further information, call 800-366-3211 or email us at info@drabergel.com. The Cosmetic Surgery Show was a paid presentation of the Abergel Institute. Cosmetic surgery has risks that should be discussed with your doctor. Results vary from person to person, as do recuperation and healing times.